It's about time for me to get my massage. I need to relax my body. Okay, I work hard. I work hard. So
I like this. Your meal? Your choices? You're shitting on me, man. Alright. I don't even want to try my meal no more. Oh, shit. Oh. We tipping. We tipping. We tipping. We tipping.
alright guys, we're all ready. About to go. Alright, this is me. Okay. Alright y'all. It's about time for me to get my massage. I need to relax my body. Okay, I work hard. I work hard. So I'm gonna get a full body massage. I'm loving the gray robe a little bit. Okay, I'll see you guys when my massage is over. Bye. Y'all, my massage is over. I was knocked out. I was sleeping too good. I was even snoring. I don't even snore. This is our snack. Some nuts. How was your massage? My massage was good. At first I was thinking too much. Me too. Then I was like, let me stop thinking. Like then I started to really feel it. Yeah. Then I fell asleep. So we about to go in the sauna because they recommend that we do one after our massage. Maybe that's the warmth and the heat that I'm looking for. We at brunch, y'all. We have an hour to eat before we leave because we have the sunset air balloon, hot air balloon. So we gotta hurry up. Lamb chops with red velvet waffles. Love. And chicken fried lobster tail. They got Captain Crunch berry waffles. They got Snicker waffles. Fruity Pebbles French toast. The French toast might be good. It might be. Okay, what if I get French toast and then I get a waffle and then we kind of like, yeah. All right, y'all. I got my drink. I ordered a you, me, and Hennessy drink. And then Shanika ordered a sunset. Hawaiian sunset. So let me try my drink. Let me see. Ooh. Is Hennessy in? The Hennessy is overpowering everything else. Really? Taste it. It's real. They poured a whole jar of Henny in there. That's liquor. That's liquor. That's a dinner drink. Damn, and I ain't eat nothing? We about to be lit again, bro. We about to be lit again, bro. So we ordered a whole bunch of everything and we're gonna be eating out of each other's plate. But so far I got Oreo French toast and red velvet waffles, salmon and grits. Hold on, let me give you guys a close-up. That's the salmon and the grits. And then we got a breakfast meal, all American. Yeah, but before I eat it, I'm gonna finish my drink, you, me, and Hennessy, so I could be a little tipsy. Okay. Liquor. It's too chocolatey for me. Really? It's good though. It is syrup though. Yeah. Have y'all seen this? Yo. Yeah. Tea. So down.
Everything's simple. I got you.
Not gonna lie. This is good as shit. Not gonna lie. We need this syrup. I'm not gonna lie. We don't need this. This is good as shit. This is good as shit. This is good as shit. Ready?
You know, black people. No.
That motherfucker good but with the strawberry. It's so good with the strawberries too. You gonna try it all together? I don't have high hopes for this. Me too. I'm trying to get myself first. Cheers. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Wait. Try that salmon. Try the salmon right now, boy. I don't know why you didn't want to try the salmon right now. That salmon good. That's a good salmon. Y'all. The crunch, the seasoning, the flavor. It's perfect. That's your meal. Your choice. You shitting on me. Alright. I don't even want to try my meal no more. We don't even gotta waste our time, man. Alright, bro. I know where I'm headed. I know where you're headed too. I know where you're headed.
Tell me what you say. I really need you in my life. Things take time. The truth came in and the truth came out.
Why don't y'all tell us in those hot air balloon TikToks that you know there's more to it? Y'all should have told us that there's snakes, cactuses. What if they say it's canceled?
We're waiting on a couple more people. Okay. They're running a little bit late.
Right. There's not enough people, basically. So what I'm thinking is, I'm already thinking. Guess what? Yay! For once in my life, I'm skinny. For once in my life, I'm under the limit. That's a wild statement, my boy. We're here. The pilot doesn't sound 100% sure that we'll make it. But y'all, it's real pretty out here. So cute, so blue. The skies are so blue, guys. They're setting up the balloon over here. Let me show y'all. Like, it's about to be crazy. They're putting the balloon up, y'all. Y'all see it? Really about to be in a balloon. Like, that's so crazy. She's not even sure we should get on, y'all. Look how big this balloon is. Y'all, this is crazy. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. We really about to be in that. We really about to be in that. And the pilot not sure, y'all. We gotta remember that part. The pilot not sure if we should get on. Going up. OG. We done did it. Y'all. I didn't think it'll go this high this fast. Goodbye, everybody. Yeah. We really in the air right now. Where'd you go? Wow, this view is crazy. Hold on. Definitely an experience, that's for sure. I'm more of a one and done. I hope we don't gotta do this again.
We're only at 3,500 feet.
Oh.
Skydiving 13,000.
Oh yeah, I'm cool. I would die mid-jump from a heart attack.
Your heart sat weak? Should have told us that.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I confess, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, that's on that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, that's on that. Take you there, I'll take you there.
How do you feel now that you've did the hot air balloon? This is so nice. It tells me I can still go skydiving. This is so pretty, guys. It's so pretty and peaceful up here, and it's just so nice.
You can park over there.
So nice. Yeah, I feel like it is pretty and peaceful up here, but you know, skydiving, you're going. I feel at ease. Like, I feel comfortable. You know, I'm not scared. I was a little, you know, suspicious, but he did that. He was scaring us. Y'all, it looks so pretty out here. Oh my gosh.
So in other words, turn around now.
Okay. Y'all, we about to land.
No, get back up, please.
Oh.
Okay, if you guys don't get this right, we're gonna have to abort the landing. Knees bent.
Okay.
You gotta hold on to those rope handles.
All right.
You're not holding on.
We're landing, y'all.
Out.
Oh, now we're landing.
Yeah, we're gonna have to abort this spot.
We gotta abort. We gotta abort.
So yeah, that's why I'm still
Y'all,
up.
we're the only ones still in the air.
I dropped down
never
thinking
gonna leave.
I was gonna do
We're the
good.
only ones still in the air. Everyone else has landed, but our pilot
And the sun is
he's Jesus.
So honestly, expect
Our instructor pissed.
No water. It's in the water. Our instructor pissed in a water bottle.
But it's real pretty out here, y'all. We saw some mansions. We saw a lot. Like, it's not given designated landing. I think we're about to land. Okay. Do it right this time, y'all. Do it right. All right. Knees bent. Knees bent.
Be rough, guys.
All right. We ready. We ready. I promise. Oh, shit. We tipping.
Okay. Stay in. Okay. You're not done. Stay in.
Yeah.
Is that fun or what?
That was something. I'm just glad we off. Oh wait, is it going back up? Wait, hold on. I don't want to go back up now. Hold on, twin. Give me a bite. Oh shit. Yo, this is how we landed. Look at the damn basket that we just. Yo, that was crazy.
Well, I know you guys thought it was bad, but that's actually a pretty normal landing.
Please, sir. I've had enough of you. At one point, I was like, damn, y'all can give me a parachute. Give me a body big. For real.
Yeah, we've been in the air for, I don't even know how long.
It's been so long, y'all. We had a landing and it failed.
Oh,
That was an experience.
it was okay. It was so pretty. It's so pretty. But at the same time, bro, it's the instructor. He kept saying those The other balloons have been down, I bet you, hours ago.
The other balloons, they did what they had to do. Our instructor talking about what they doing. They doing their job.
You know, clearly.
They showing the fuse and getting them up off the balloon. But it was beautiful to see those big mansions.
It was.
After our first landing failed.
We got to see sunset because originally we weren't supposed to see sunset. We actually got to see sunset going all the way down.
It was nice. It was really nice.
No regrets at all.
No regrets at all. It got real peaceful. Like, I got real comfortable.
Yes, like, yeah.
But it's mad cold out in Arizona, bro.
I asked this was not for
Once the sun goes down, you're done.
You're grits.
You're grits. That's what it's looking like out here, y'all. Y'all, we're on our way to dinner.
Our first formal night.
Yes.
Dinner.
They have a show, so you know it's gonna be nice.
The reviews for this place was really nice.
Okay, yeah.
Everybody recommended it.
Yeah.
So I was like, we had to.
So we'll see y'all there.
You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much,
Wow. Y'all, they got some good complimentary chips. It's seasoned like. Real good, y'all. screaming.
So we are coming in with a force. Yeah. Blessing the Aries, but we course.
Okay. Okay, it's not bad.
But thank God for the journey with us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? One time, it's down in a class, I'm a poor dead. Only see the road, I'm in one minute road.
Oh my God.
I see why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody,
That done good. The mac and cheese is delicious.
look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Baby, I have burned the way you twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight on me. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just want me.
Yo, I'm lit. I'm a little lit. Look at my bag. Oh yes. This is nice. It look like money, honey.
My bones, don't you know?
No vlog, no vlog.
Cute. Say I like it saucy. I like it.
Yeah, period. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.